Fire escape inspection summary video. This is Inspector Alan Toll. I'm here at 262 Powell Street, San Francisco. It's Stratford Hotel. I'm on the lowest balcony. You can see some of these connections could be improved. I don't know why this one is bending here, but we want to verify that connection. Again, up here, just take a look at all of these connections back to the building. It's all cantilevered beams. And I don't know if this ladder has been serviced in the last year, so I don't see any stickers on it. So I would suggest, looks like maybe replace the cable, make sure these are greased and the fire escape is operating properly. And it does have a chain, but with a few minor repairs, this could be ready for a load test. Specifically, like I said, the stringer clips above, you can see. And but other than that, it is painted, doesn't need paint. Relatively good order. If you have any questions, 866-649-0333.